Intel's big shift. Intel didn't just release a faster processor, they rebranded their entire lineup, redesigned the architecture, and added built-in AI acceleration. This is the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K, a 24-core desktop CPU built for high-end gaming, content creation, and next-generation AI-powered software. Let's break down what makes it different and why it matters. What is the Core Ultra 9 285K? The Core Ultra 9 285K replaces Intel's old Core i9 branding. Instead of incremental upgrades, this represents a new generation built on the Arrow Lake architecture. It features 24 cores in total, 8 high-performance cores designed for speed, and 16 efficiency cores designed for multitasking. It boosts up to nearly 5.7 GHz, supports DDR5 memory, and runs on Intel's new LGA 1851 platform. Hybrid architecture explained. At the heart of this processor is Intel's hybrid architecture. The performance cores handle demanding tasks like gaming and heavy creative workloads. The efficiency cores manage background processes, streaming, rendering, and multitasking. Think of it like a high-performance engine working alongside an intelligent power-saving system, delivering both speed and balance. Gaming performance. For gamers, single-core speed is critical, and the Core Ultra 9 285K delivers. With high boost clocks and improved core efficiency, it produces strong frame rates, stable 1% lows, and smooth performance in CPU-intensive titles. At 1080p resolution, where the processor matters most, it performs at the top tier. At 1440p and 4K, it ensures your GPU is never held back. Creator and multitasking power. This processor isn't only built for gaming. With 24 cores working together, it excels at video editing, 3D rendering, streaming while gaming, and heavy multitasking. The efficiency cores handle background tasks, while the performance cores stay focused on active workloads, keeping everything responsive. Built-in AI acceleration. One of the biggest additions is integrated AI acceleration, known as an NPU. This dedicated hardware helps accelerate AI-assisted tasks like noise removal, background blur, image enhancement, and even running local AI models. It's part of Intel's move towards AI-ready desktop systems. Power and cooling. As a high-performance unlocked processor, the Core Ultra 9 285K can draw significant power under load. That means strong cooling is essential, typically a high-end air cooler or a 280 to 360 millimeter liquid cooler. This chip is designed for premium builds where performance is the priority. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285K represents a major transition for Intel's desktop lineup. With 24 cores, strong gaming performance, improved efficiency, and built-in AI acceleration, it's built for enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance. If you're building a high-end gaming or creator PC, this processor is designed to power the next generation of workloads.